to highlight text in Photoshop. So if you're using any tool other than the text tool, usually you'll have to switch to the text tool either by hitting this T for the text tool on the left side, or the shortcut is hit the letter T. So if I wanted to correct the spelling of the word text here, I can go ahead and click and highlight. Again, that's click and highlight, just like you'd highlight text in any word processing program. Then I can hit delete and accept that. A trick that I like, even if I'm using another tool, say I have the move tool active and I want to get right to highlighting all the text, I can go over on the layers panel here, and if I double click the icon, that will highlight everything. If I want to make a global change and say give it all a different color, hit OK. And that is how you highlight text in Photoshop. If that answered your Photoshop question without wasting any of your time, I'd appreciate it if you would give the video a like, and while you're down there, please subscribe.